you couldn't hear you. You must have not heard your side thing.
No, I didn't, but I didn't really notice it.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear myself now. I can hear myself, Rich.
Okay.
So my side thing is working. I just don't notice it either.
So you mean you'll be getting sick of you too?
Yes. Yes, I won't be able to stand myself.
Hold on.
I'm glad we got our morning fight out of the way. There wasn't too much bloodshed.
So it's June 13th. We just got on the road here this morning from Laurel, Montana. We got the bikes all washed yesterday. Last night, after we pulled in, we stopped early for dinner, and head for Missoula, Montana. You can tell we're already getting closer to the mountains. The terrain is starting to change. Carl's on the phone with Helen, checking in this morning. Should have a pretty easy day today. Oh, man, I'm glad I got my camera on. We passed this guy yesterday, but I couldn't get my camera on fast enough. Check this out. I've seen 3 of these things on this trip, but the other 2 are on the side of the road. Look how freaking big this thing is. Doesn't look that big when you see them on the windmill, but look how big that is. I saw one of those in New Hampshire on 89. And I'd like to, at some point, well, I'm probably not going to have this bike, although I'm
I wouldn't put a penny into it.
becoming emotionally
Unless you're
attached. Yeah, well, I was saying, like, I'm going to put, I'm becoming emotionally attached.
Oh, stop it.
So I was
Get
thinking
over it.
I was thinking of putting some Cree lights. You know what Cree lights are?
Tree lights.
Cree, C-R-E-E. They're a type of LED bulb.
Oh.
Putting those on my lower engine guards.
Oh. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you something. Like I said, I mean, I'd say the closest I got attached to anything was my Yamaha, but at the point that they get old, I'm not attached to them anymore because they're old technology.
Yeah, I know.
Why would I get attached to old technology?
Well, you know what? Because I like old technology.
I don't. I hate it.
It's easy.
I hate it.
Yeah.
I love it when it's happening, but I hate it when there's something new and I don't have it.
Yeah. Well, and you know the other thing, I can't really make an informed decision until I ride something with new technology like a Goldwing.
Yeah.
You know? At that point,
we're gonna have to switch off. You have to try this thing.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, you should.
Well, I don't know.
Because you really, when you get rid of that one, you should make sure you get the right bike.
Oh, I'll make sure I get the right bike.
Yeah, but it'd be nice to not have to do what I did. Say, well, it should be nice. Everybody has them. This is ideal. Nice, clean, paved road.
No
Perfect curves.
No tar snakes.
And mountains in the distance.
Yep. No tar snakes, too.
I know. I
wonder how they do that out here because, you know, they get hard winters.
I guess they don't use salt.
I don't think the tar snakes has anything to do with the salt.
Well, isn't that what eats the road up?
No,
or the heaves? The heaves do it, right?
No. It's the frost heaves.
These hills are getting higher and higher as we go.
Yep. Well, did you notice that all of a sudden the terrain changed and we started getting trees? And it just happened, like just one moment there were no trees, the next moment there were.
Look at this purple house. Or is that brown? Looks purple.
No, it was purple. Actually, to get technical, it was only the roof, and it wasn't purple, it was eggplant.
What was it?
Eggplant.
Oh, eggplant.
Did that look like eggplant?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you mention it? Absolutely. Your blanket color is eggplant.
No, not my bike color. It's berry. It's very ugly.
Well, only after you've driven it.
Yeah, I know. It's actually a pretty color. That's what attracted me to this bike. They made this color also with like a cream color instead of the silver accent.
Oh yeah.
I don't like that. It just didn't look right to me. But when I do like the silver and berry or maroon, whatever the heck it is.
Well, your silver actually looks more cream now that you haven't cleaned it in 6 months.
Well, that's true. That's true. Thank you for noticing.
Thank you for telling me it was silver.
Well, you know, now I got to say, I have to admit that was both annoying and funny.
Oh, God.
Pretty normal day for the two of us, let me tell you. Matter of fact, I would say maybe I enjoyed the conversations that we had during this trip as much as I enjoyed the riding and the scenery. That might be pushing it. The rest of the trip to Missoula got more and more beautiful as we got closer. We were definitely entering mountain country. We rolled into Missoula on Route 12, past a couple of casinos, And pretty much the first motel we saw was the Fairbridge Inn and Suites. It was right at the junction of Route 12 and 93 and seemed to be a pretty convenient location. There was a gas station across the street, a couple of restaurants, so we pulled in. It turned out to be a really nice place, and it was only $75 a night. We checked in, unloaded our luggage, and asked the desk clerk for a suggestion for dinner that night. She said right down the street was a place called Jager's, and it was they probably had the best salad bar in the state of Montana. I told her that was quite a claim, and that I was going to go try it out, and if it wasn't, I was going to come back and have a word with her. She stuck to her guns. She said it was the best in Montana. We got on the bikes, rode them less than half a mile down the street. Matter of fact, we'd passed it on the way in, and we found Jager's. Was it the best salad bar in the state of Montana? I don't know. Let me go in and try it out. I'll let you know in the next episode.